Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the transmitter. Charge to at least 50% and use a stable power source. Once done, download the correct firmware binary and any companion flashing tool to your computer. Make sure to use a reliable USB-C cable and enter the Tx16s bootloader by holding the SYS button while powering on. Doing this prevents bricking and ensures the bootloader is active. Verify the PC recognizes the device before proceeding. This avoids wasted steps and speeds up the next stage. Now you flash the firmware. Open your chosen flashing tool and select the Tx16s model and the firmware binary you downloaded. Accuracy here matters. Start the write process and watch the progress bar. Do not disconnect the cable or interrupt power because intermittent power causes corrupt images. The tool will then verify the flash. Wait for both stages to complete. Once the tool shows success, let the transmitter finish its internal flash. Finalize steps before you reboot or remove the cable. Finish by rebooting the Tx16s normally and letting its startup sequence complete. This allows the new firmware to initialize settings. After boot, verify the firmware version in system settings and test core functions like menu navigation and RF module binding so you confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, re-enter the bootloader and reflash the file, try another USB cable or port, and ensure the binary is for your exact hardware revision. That troubleshooting sequence resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.